how to make yogurt and the many uses for it. You can make yogurt from milk from the store, but for us, we use it from milk from our cows on the farm. This is the milk that we are going to use to make our yogurt. We need to skim the cream. If you had store-bought milk to make yogurt, you wouldn't need to skim the cream off. And too much cream will make the yogurt not form well. So the cream is this stuff right here. I've skimmed all the milk, and here's the cream. The cream can be used for butter and ice cream because it's very heavy and thick. So now that we have our milk ready, we can pour it into the Instapot. But first, we need to kill all the bad bacteria so we don't get sick. First, we'll heat up the milk to 180 degrees using the sous vide setting. Our Instapot doesn't have a yogurt setting, but you can just use the yogurt setting if your Instapot has one. It takes about an hour to get to 180 degrees. I've heated my milk up to 180 degrees, and I've used this digital thermometer to check, and it says 180 degrees. Now I have to cool it down to 108 degrees. This is pasteurization, and it kills all the bacteria so the milk is clean. Now we've moved the yogurt to the ice bath so it can cool down to finish the pasteurization cycle. Now that our milk is cooled, we can add 1 cup of yogurt starter. We add 1 cup, but if you don't have homemade yogurt, you can just buy unsweetened yogurt from the store. Next, we're going to use the sous vide setting again, but this time at 112 degrees. 117. Our yogurt has been incubating in the Instapot for 8 hours at 112 degrees. Let's see how it looks. Some people like to eat their yogurt like this, but we like to eat it Greek-style yogurt. I'll show you how to make it. As you can see, the yogurt has separated and the whey is floating on top. We use nut bags to filter out the yogurt and make it thicker, but you can use cheesecloths. This is the yogurt before we took out the whey. This is the yogurt after we took out the whey. And this is the whey. If you want to add a little bit more protein to your meals, you can substitute whey for water. Now, this is our finished product of yogurt. Here are the some things I like to do with my yogurt. Now I'm going to show you how to make a fruit and yogurt parfait. I have my apple banana grown here in Hawaii. I have some frozen fruit. some strawberries, and some jam. First, we'll wash our fresh strawberries. Now, we'll cut our strawberries. Now, we'll slice our banana. Now let's layer our parfait. First, I'll put in some bananas. Now I'll put on some yogurt. Next, some berries. Then some more yogurt. Finally, some strawberries. And put some jelly on top. One other thing I like to do with yogurt is make smoothies. We're going to take the ingredients from the parfait and add 1 cup of pineapple juice and then blend it.